Freedom of speech and freedom of the press are integral to American life, especially now when all are free to express their opinions. But just having opinions isn't enough. You have to act. When we use our right to assemble, to march, to rally, to protest, we become a movement, challenging injustice and inviting change. Unfortunately, protests can sometimes be divisive, ugly. When tensions are high, things can get confrontational. And what was once a peaceful protest can escalate into a riot, turning violent and destructive. While this freedom has its risks, peaceful assembly is an incredible force for good.
Somewhere I read that the greatness of America is the right to protest far right.
Coming together to demand reform and hold those in power accountable is how we disrupt the status quo, shift opinion, and change laws. When you support your voice with a protest, you have the power to affect social and political change.